गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। आज हम टीजीटी आर्ट्स 2018 का क्वेश्चन पेपर डिस्कस करेंगे। नीति आयोग इज एन सी एडवाइजरी बॉडी। राइट आंसर मैंने रेड सर्कल से मार्क किए हैं। व्हेन कैन अ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बी डिस्चार्ज बाय ऑपरेशन ऑफ लॉ? सी डिफिकल्टीज ऑफ परफॉर्मेंस। What do you mean by quantum merit? B. As much as earned. Insurance sector in India is regulated by D. IRDA. Finance Commission is constituted under which article of Constitution of India? B. 280. The process of commercialization involves the D. All of these: deciding product characteristics and package, building up a appropriate marketing mix, introducing product in the market. Devaluation signifies D. lowering value of dollar. Deficit financing C. encourages inflationary tendency. Which of the following is a fee-based service? D. Portfolio management. Merchant banking service in India was started in the year A. 1967. Which one of the following is not a non-banking financial institution? C. PNB. The mutual fund concept was started in India in the year D. None of these. Mutual fund concept was started in India in 1963. The primary aim of leverages funds is to dash capital appreciation. C. Maximize. ICRA was set up in the year C. 1991. CRISIL was set up in the year C. 1987. Which of the following does not involve any interest payment? B. Debit card. If quartile deviation of given set of data of 20 observation is 12, then value of standard deviation is B. 18. न्यूमेरिकल आपको खुद करने पड़ेंगे. आई विल टेल यू द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. द एरिया अंडर नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कवर्ड विद इन म्यू प्लस माइनस 3s लिमिट्स इज C. 0.9973. Beta equity is positively related with B. Operating leverages. Depreciation is dash expenditure. B. Semi-variable. Calculate reorder level from the following: safety stock 1000 unit, consumption per week 500 unit. If it takes 12 weeks to reach material from the date of ordering. D. 7000 units. Determine the firm's total assets turnover if its net profit margin is 5%. Total assets are rupees 8 million and rate of interest is 8%. A. 1.60. Determine break even point if sales is rupees 1 lakh, variable cost is rupees 50,000 and profit is rupees 20,000. A. 60,000. Which column of cash book is never balanced? A. Discount column. Example of operating system is A. Fortran. Functions of educational philosophy is D. All of these. Normative, critical, speculative. Individual aim of education aims at making a child a cooperative individual. Rising knowledge to wisdom is real education was said by D. Chandogya Upanishad. Who is the profounder of Dvaita Dvait? B. Nimbarka. The Vardha scheme is also known as by which of the following schemes? B. Basic education. Who said that? Who said this? The teacher is not an instructor but taskmaster. He is a helper and guide. A. Aurobindo Ghosh. Modern philosophy synthesizes C. Sciences. A child is working very hard for her examination. Her behavior is an indicator of her A. Sharp cognitive abilities. Socialization requires D. All of these. Teachers, rewards, reinforcement. Participating in the removal of illiteracy is a social change. National policy on education was started in B. 1986. Right to Education Act was passed in C. 2009. A child is born with some D. All of these qualities: ego, innate drives. What will be the IQ of a 12 years old child whose mental age is 9 years? B. 75. The formula to calculate IQ is mental age upon chronological age into 100. 9 upon 12 into 100. It is equal to 75. And essential aspects of all learning is C. Motivation. Children learnt new words for specific objects mostly by D. Conditioning process. Learning disabled children are D. None of these. The gland which plays a key role in the development of personality is A. Pituitary. A child attitude, I don't care, is the type of behavior which can be called D. Retrogression. Introspection method lacks in D. All of these. Reliability, validity, objectivity. A teacher should play the role of a facilitator. Wood's Dispatch, an important document, was released on C. 1854. Education falls under which list of the Constitution of India? C. Concurrent list. If you would be a teacher, how would you like to behave with your students? B. Democratic. Teaching professional norms are developed by D. CBSE. Question 51 to 55. Choose the word which is opposite in the meaning of the given word. Deleterious. B. Beneficial. Confess. C. Conceal. Robust. C. Fable. Specific. B. Vague. Agitated. B. Calm. Question 56 to 60. Choose the word which gave the correct spelling. A. Weight. WEIGHT. B. Depreciate. DEPRECIATE. B. Perjury. PERGURY. A. Committee. COMMITTEE. A. Recommended. RECOMMENDED. Question 61 to 65. Choose the most appropriate word. Success is dash on hard work. B. Dependent. Ram dash going to the post office with Shyam is. I was delighted dash your success. A. At. I dash studying since morning. D. Have been. They dash not know me. B. Do. According to Mahabharata, who founded Katoj monarchy during 1400 BC? B. Susharma Chandra. Which of the following places was the capital of Jagat Sukh during ancient period? A. Kuluta. HP became Union Territory in the year D. 1956. The driest place in HP is C. Spiti. The state located in the west of HP is C. Punjab. The largest man-made lake in HP is D. Govind Sagar. The river Chenab during the Vedic period was known as D. None of these. The Vedic name of Chenab river was Askinia. The Cholang Peak is located in the C. Dhauladhar range. The Panch Puja picnic resort is located near B. Dalhousie. The regional center of Indian Bureau of Standard is located at C. Parmanu. Who laid the foundation of Rang Mahal of Chamba? A. Umaid Singh. The Battle of Bhagnani took place between Guru Gobind Singh and the Raja of A. Bilaspur. In which year Rampur Bushehr Riyasat came under the possession of British? A. 1815. Who among the following did not visit Shimla in 1921? A. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. In which year Peter Hof was destroyed in a major fire? B. 1981. Who became the Chief Minister of independent government set up in Thiog in 1947? D. Surat Prakash. Gaddis are considered as the descendant of C. Khatris. Kulin Das were originally the people belonging to C. Shimla and Sirmaur Hills. Shobha Singh Art Gallery is located at D. Andretta. The State Museum of Himachal is located in the building famous as D. None of these in Shimla. The first hydroelectric project in Western Himalaya was located at B. Joginder Nagar. Which is the largest apple growing district in Himachal Pradesh? C. Shimla. The State Council of Education, Research and Training SCERT is located at D. Solan. The first Himachali honored by Padma Shri was A. Kailash Mahajan. As per census 2011, population density is D. 123. Who is the newly elected president of Badminton Association of India? A. Himta Biswa Sharma. Who bagged India's first medal at the 21st Commonwealth Games 2018? A. P. Guru Raja. What is the India's rank in the 2018 Inclusive Internet Index, which is recently released by the Economics Intelligence Unit? C. 47th. Which city hosted the second India-Korea Business Summit 2018? D. Bangalore. What is Zero Discrimination Day campaign for in year 2018? C. What if? The world's largest solar park has recently launched in which state? A. Karnataka. Who has won the Lifetime Achievement Award at 2018 Political and Public Life Awards in UK? D. Shatrughan Sinha. The 2018 Cultural Festival India by the Nile held in which country? C. Egypt. Which state government has rolled out Roop Shri scheme for marriage of poor girls? C. West Bengal. What is the theme of the 9th edition of Women's Film Festival 2018? D. Traveling Women. As flower is related to petal, In the same way, book is related to A. Pages. Which of the following is different from the rest? D. 288. 144 is the square root of 12. 169 is the square root of 13. 256 is the square root of 14. How many letters are there between 8th letter from the left and 7th letter from the right in the English alphabet? D. 11. How many meaningful English words can be formed with the third, the fifth, the seventh and the ninth letter of the word downgraded once in each word? A. 1. If water is written at YCVGT, then what is written at HKTG? B. Fire. Sohan ranks 7th from the top and 26 from the bottom in the class. How many students are there in the class? C. 33. Painting towards a boy, Veena said, "He is the only son of my grandfather." How is that boy related to Veena? B. Brother. If southwest becomes north, then what will northeast be? South. If today is Wednesday, then what will be the day after 84th days? C. Wednesday. The age of father is thrice of his son. If the sum of their age is 48 years, what is the age of father? C. 36 years. The Chalcolithic or stone copper phase continued up to about A. 800 BC. Rice cultivation is associated with Harappan site of B. Lothal. The Rig Veda contains A. hymns in honor of the gods. थोड़ा पेज dirty है, kindly ignore it. The chief deity of the Sangam age was B. Murugan. Hyeon Sang described the state of Cambodia as D. Rajpura. The trident shaped symbol of Buddhism does not represent B. Nirvana. Which of the following was not a seaport in modern times? D. Python. Who is responsible for the development of Indian theatre by introducing the use of the curtain? The Greeks. C. The Samakhya system was propounded by B. Kapila. Harisena is the author of A. Allahabad Prashti. The founder of Rashtrakuta kingdom was D. Danti Durga. The Saharavadi order was established mainly in D. Northwest India. Who reintroduced the Jagir system? B. Firoz Tughlaq. Who defeated Humayun at the Battle of Chausa in 1539? A. Sher Shah. In the year did the East India Company establish a factory in Bengal? B. 1651. Who was the founder of the Kuka movement? C. Bhagat Jawahar Mal. In 1908, Bal Gangadhar Tilak was imprisoned for 6 years and was sent to C. Mandalay. At the northernmost point of India, the rays of sun are always B. oblique. Pachkai boom and Dafa boom are the important ranges of D. Purvanchal. The Indo-Gangetic plain of Indian subcontinent are examples of A. depositional plains. Which of the following rivers make an estuary? D. Bhagirathi, Hooghly. Winter rainfall in Tamil Nadu is due to A. retreating monsoon. Which of the following is most important oil-bearing state of India? B. Assam. Koderma in Jharkhand is famous for B. Mica mining. Most of the India's cultivated land is under B. sedentary cultivation. Which of the following port is not associated on the western coast? A. Tuticonia. Seaweeds are important source of D. iodine. The Jarvas are tribes living in D. Little Andaman. The prime meridian passes through B. Greenwich. Which state connect Red Sea with Indian Sea? B. Hormuz. The dry wind Santa Ana blows in D. California. The federal system with strong center has been borrowed from the Constitution. B. Canada. The procedure for creation of legislative council in state has been taken from B. 169. To whom is the Council of Ministers responsible? B. The President of India. Who decide whether a bill is a money or not? The Speaker of Lok Sabha. A. Which one of the following is not the main jurisdiction of the High Court of a state? A. Advisory jurisdiction. The constitutional status has been given to Panchayat under which article of Indian Constitution? D. 243. Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act was enacted in India in year D. 2003. Which of the following Constitutional Amendment Act was said to be mini constitution? A. 42nd. English is the official language of which one of the following Indian states? A. Nagaland. The weight of an object would be minimum when it is placed at D. the center of the state. Which of the following is preferred for manufacturing a spring? C. Steel. Concave lens is also known as B. Diverging lens. Which of the following is called morning star? Venus. C. The most abundant metal in the earth crust is A. D. Aluminium. Glass is best described as A. C. Super cooled liquid. Cellulose is a D. None of these. Vector of Kala Azar disease is C. Sandfly. Apiculture is associated with A. Honeybee. The organ affected by diphtheria is D. Throat. आठ आठ आंसू रोना मुहावरे का अर्थ है डी. फूट फूट कर रोना. निडर में समास है बी. अवयवी भाव. अधित्यक्ता का विपरीतार्थक है बी. उपत्यक्ता. जो प्रतिज्ञा भय को दूर करती है के लिए एक शब्द है डी. अभ्यदान. तत्सम शब्द है ए. दंत. शुद्ध शब्द है ए. इकतारा. खट्टा का भाववाचक है सी. खट्टापन. यौगिक शब्द है सी. शिवालय. फ वर्ण का उच्चारण स्थान है ओष्ठ. दास का पर्यायवाची है डी. असुर. अगर आपको मेरा ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए. थैंक यू.